Howdy gang, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's episode, I am going to teach you how to lower just the alkalinity of your pool water. So what do you say we jump right in? Alrighty folks, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like it if you do by clicking that little thumbs up icon below this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool so they can save a ton of money servicing their pool themselves. Also, make sure you check out my website, poolschooler.com, for more great money savings do-it-yourself pool maintenance stuff. Alrighty? Cool. Alrighty, I want to give you all a very quick disclaimer about this video. Typically in Arizona, when I check the pH and alkalinity of my pools, and it's been like this ever since I've been doing pools out here in Arizona, and I don't know why, but this is what happens. If the alkalinity is high, the pH is going to be likewise high. If the alkalinity is low, the pH is likewise going to be low as well. So typically I don't have to do this to adjust the alkalinity either way, but in so many people's cases that I've been getting emails and comments about, they've asked me how can I specifically adjust the alkalinity of my pool without affecting the pH. So that's why we're going to show you this today. Okay, so you've tested your alkalinity in your pool water and you found that your alkalinity is high. Okay, not a problem, but your pH maybe is in a good range, all right? And if you want to know how to work when they're opposite, I have videos on those, so check those out as well, okay? But your alkalinity is high and you need to lower the alkalinity. Really simple thing to do, okay? First of all, remember, whenever you add chemicals to your pool, you want to make sure that your pump motor is running, so that way it helps mix and distribute the chemicals around the pool water as quickly as possible, okay? So what you want to get is a product called Granular Dry Pool Acid, or Dry Granular Pool Acid. Just do a Google search for it and you can find it online, or go to your local pool supply and check it out. Again, you're looking for Dry Granular Pool Acid. I would recommend not getting something like Alkalinity Down, because sometimes those products contain more than just the base chemical that you need, which is Dry Granular Pool Acid, to lower the alkalinity. And if the other stuff can actually start messing around with the rest of your chemistry. So try to stay as pure as possible. So get a bucket of that. I think you can get it in 5 pound, 10 pound, probably 10 pounds is plenty, especially if your pool tends to run high on the alkalinity side. And so what you're going to do is, with the pump equipment running, you're going to take 1 to 2 pounds maximum of the dry granular acid. Okay, now this again is assuming you have a typical standard play pool that runs anywhere from 10 to 15,000 gallons. And if you have a smaller pool, you're going to want to adjust down, maybe half a pound or a pound maximum. But typically no more than 1 to 2 pounds at a time. With the pump and motor running, distribute the 1 or 2 pounds of dry granular acid around the perimeter of your pool. Give it about an hour or two to mix in and dissipate, and then test your chemistry. If your alkalinity is down to the range that it needs to be, remember, we're talking about the range. You don't need to be right dead center on the exact number. There's a range between the alkalinity as far as ideal range, from this to this. That's what you want to be within. Okay, as long as you're within that range, you're good to go. If not, then repeat the process, probably with another pound. I wouldn't go up to 2 pounds after that. With 1 more pound, with the pump running, distribute around your pool, wait about an hour or two, test your chemistry, and see if your alkalinity is down. If not, repeat it as often as you need to, okay? And that's pretty much it. So gang, that is my video on how to lower just the alkalinity of your pool water. I hope it made sense. If you have any questions or comments, remember, you can always put them in the comment section below this video, or you can email me and I'll try to get to those emails as quick as possible. My email address will come across the bottom of the screen, and always it's kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. For more direct priority access to me and a great deal more do-it-yourself money-saving pool service tips, checklists, and stuff, check out my website, poolschooler.com. Thank you once again for watching. I want to remind you to like, subscribe, and share. And until we meet again next time, remember, have fun, be safe, and always watch those kids around water. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.